Shwmai, croeso. Welcome to the next lesson in So You've Moved to Wales. Today we're learning the basics, the months of the year. Here they are. So we have, starting off with January, all the way through till December. Misoedd y flwyddyn, the months of the year. Let's have a look at them one at a time. Okay, let's start with January. And as you can see, we often put the word for month in front of them. So instead of saying just Ionawr, often you'll hear mis Ionawr, which literally means the month of January. So I think it's kind of nice to put the mis before it. So let's try this. Mis Ionawr. Mis Ionawr. Mis Chwefror. Mis Chwefror. It's a bit of a tricky one. Mis Mawrth. Mis Mawrth. Now that's the same as Tuesday, Mawrth, isn't it? Mis Ebrill. Mis Ebrill. Got that double L sound. Remember how we do that? Mis Ebrill. Mis Mai. Mis Mai. Mis Mehefin. Mis Mehefin. Mis Gorffennaf. Mis Gorffennaf literally means gorffen, to finish, half, the summer. Awst. Mis Awst. Mis Awst. Mis Medi. Mis Medi. Mis Hydref. Mis Hydref. Mis Tachwedd. Mis Tachwedd. And finally, December. Mis Rhagfyr. Mis Rhagfyr. And there you go. So, Cymraeg Extra. You can now ask, perhaps, when is your birthday in Welsh? Which is, let's have a look. Pryd mae dy benblwydd di? Pryd mae dy benblwydd di? Pryd mae dy benblwydd di? And as an answer, you can just say simply, we know the numbers 1 to 10 by now, so chwech gorffennaf. Chwech gorffennaf. And as we know the months, we could sing happy birthday. Now we know that the word penblwydd means happy, means birthday, and hapus means happy. Penblwydd hapus I ti. Penblwydd hapus I ti, penblwydd hapus I ti, penblwydd hapus I... Insert name here. That's what we sing at someone's birthday in Wales. Penblwydd hapus I ti. Happy birthday to you. Okay, writing task. Write down the birthdays of your friends and family. Go online and find out the birthdays of 5 famous Welsh people. Show your work to your Welsh teacher. Now then, Cymraeg Extra Extra. These are 3 important dates in Wales. Diwrnod Santes Dwynwen. Diwrnod Santes Dwynwen is an equivalent of the Welsh Valentine's Day. And it's on 24 Ionawr, the 24th of January. The most important day in the Welsh calendar is Dydd Gŵyl Dewi, the patron saint of Wales is St David, Dewi Sant, and his national holiday, although we don't get a holiday, but we'd like one. Dydd Gwyl Dewi is on Un Mawrth, the 1st of March. And then, of course, everybody loves Nadolig, Christmas. Nadolig, which, of course, you probably know already, is 25 Rhagfyr, the 25th of December. Okay. There's a Kahoot if you want to test yourself. And then, da iawn. Da iawn eto. Well done. Again, you are on your way to speaking Welsh.